Kung ang requirement ng langit, paramihan ng attend sa church, ilan? Para aatinan ko na lahat araw-araw. Kasi hindi ako sure kung buhay pa ako bukas eh. Right? Eh kung 4,030 pala, tapos naka 1,070 ka pa lang, eh di araw-arawin mo na. Kasi hindi ka sure kung buhay ka pa bukas. Paramihan ng prayer, gano'ng katagal? 2 hours? Gawin ko na. But God's salvation is not based on what you can do for Him. Hindi to paramihan ng attend, paramihan ng nabasang Bible, paramihan at pagalingan ng pray. Nakapag nag-pray ka, nagbabago pa boses mo. But people are sometimes doing that because kasi pag mas mataas ang boses ko, mas malalim ang boses ko, mas spiritual ako sa harap ng maraming tao. So you're trying to impress the people that are listening to you that you miss the Jesus that you are praying about. What happened to us? We are not called to be religious. We are spiritual, not religious. We are spiritual beings, not religious beings.